Yo, what's going on, guys? We are back with another episode of Terraria. I think I'm gonna try to upgrade some of my defense and my armor a little bit, and try to find that goblin, as we fought the goblin army and defeated them. So we should be able to, find the goblin tinker and reforge some stuff to fight the Eater worlds over here. So I'm gonna go try to find some, better ore, and hopefully we can get a few upgrades and some heart crystals. Kill this guy. I think my weapon's still pretty good though. Not gonna need another weapon upgrade for a little bit. And I forgot health potions, so that might be a little bit of a problem. Anything up here that I missed? Just not want to get hit by that. That does a lot of damage. Okay. Doesn't look like we missed too much up here. So we'll keep going down. Some copper, but that's not that good. I'd like to find like tungsten or something. Okay, there's iron. Iron, it's okay. Oh, let's go. We got another NPC to move in. That is good. Mine that all up. That's exactly what I didn't want to happen. I don't know why there's like 50 of these in that area, but that's fine. We did get some iron. See if I can make anything good out of that. $15 iron bars. Um, yeah, nothing much really. Well, I guess really all we can do is go mining. Just get better gear. Maybe we can go to our jungle base and try to get that pylon thing working so we can teleport between our bases. That would be nice. Yeah, we'll go try to do that. Already at the jungle. Okay, here it is. Guess they already put walls in it. Okay, it's being occupied, so hopefully that guy can come. Okay. Guess we can go mining down here too. You can make jungle armor, which is pretty good, but I'm pretty sure that's magic. But that's still fine. I need torches really bad. Ooh, and a beehive. Okay. That's good. So I can try getting a really good bow. A lot of iron. Iron is also okay though, so that's fine. I don't think I'm ready for any boss yet. though. I'm still wearing half cactus armor, which is pretty bad. Keep digging down looking for stuff. Hopefully we can run into another cave. I'm not gonna go in the beehive quite yet. It's like I said, so another boss. And there's more iron, but we don't really need iron. Did not mean to drink that, but it's fine. Okay, I killed him. Ooh, with some gold. We'll take the gold. Gold is gonna be useful. Okay, grab all that up. There's a chest down there. It is booby trapped though by quite a bit. What is going on with this honey? It's like making me move weird. Oh my gosh, no, I don't want to die. I don't know, like, what I'm stuck in. Okay, I'm good. See if I can try to get to this chest over here. Looks like there's a... Okay, that's just a little bit of iron on a pressure plate. I do see the stone also. And there's a hornet. Might be able to just fight this guy from far away. Keep my range. Go away, bat. Okay, that worked out fine. Now I do see the boulders. Bro, can I get up? Okay. Just making sure I don't die to the 500 traps when I open up this chest. It's gonna have not even that good of loot in it, probably. That actually scared me. Why is there I don't see the other TNT. I guess there's another one though. That's actually kind of annoying, but I guess I'll have to run back. Kind of annoying. This chest doesn't have anything good in it. I'm gonna be mad. I don't know why there's two TNT things, two boulders, and two arrow things surrounding it. That chest has to have someone good in it. Luckily, we're not too far away already. Our jungle's pretty close. We are pretty much already back. Back down we go. Dude, there are so many traps in the jungle. The jungle's so deadly. I think it's just right here, yeah. It's better to have someone good in it. I mean, it wasn't too bad. Was it worth it though? No, but it wasn't the worst of stuff. I'm gonna die again. Oh my gosh. Well, there's some gold. I'll grab this. There's a granite biome down there. Oh, and a tree. Okay. There's a lot of good loot in the jungle, though. But everything is deadly in the jungle. Pretty sure if you can get down to the trunk of this tree, there'll be a chest. And here is the chest. I don't see any chests in the granite biome. A boomstick. Oh, and a bunch of gold. Alright, the gold's gonna be probably the best thing. What is that? I don't know what that is. We'll drink one Splunker potion also. Pop a health potion. Alright, we're good. Mind that. No chests there. There's a lot of bats, so we can take them out first before we go in. There's one. There's two. The other one's really low. There's a hornet now. I know. Alright, we're just going in. It's probably a really bad idea. It's a big area, though. Oh, I see that's cobwebs. Okay. There's a stone trap over. Oh, and I see a chest. Okay. Splunker potion's actually pretty nice. Via all the chests. Place another torch down. Alright, let's keep going. Little abandoned mine shaft here. Took him out. Okay, now we can go to the chest safely. I think this actually, hold on, buffs your, yeah, buffs. Now I got, better damage, which is good. Flare gun, which is awful. Why can I go up this but not back down this? That's so weird. Oh, I found the temple. Well, heart crystal. We'll go for that, though. That will be useful. It's more iron. Take it if we can get everything. Kill everything here. It's another chest. I'll grab that also. Ow. I don't die here. Can't see anything, so I'm gonna place down a torch. I feel like this can be used for. Oh, we also got this. Okay, that's really good. I'll wear that actually. That's a little bit of an upgrade. Okay. So I get a little bit of better armor, I guess, from the granite biome. I realized I got that. I'm gonna take out this hornet. Okay. I guess I did not hit any of those. Oh, he died. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. There are a lot of piranhas down here, though. So live crystal, though, I will gladly take that. And this trap is very not good. I keep on stepping on, but somehow, oh, there's a block on it, so it can't hit me. And Spunker Potion's gone. That's fine. We won't pop another one. I've actually gotten some okay stuff. Got a little bit better armor now. Still not ready for that boss, so. Still gonna be a couple more episodes before we can fight him. Maybe we fight the bee boss, though. He gives a good build. And I kind of like going archer class. It's more iron, but I don't really. We'll grab it. We'll grab it, go back up, make what we can. And, yeah. We'll just see what I can make. Grab all of this iron. I have a lot of iron. That's just not a bad thing. Alright, and magic mirror. Put this somewhere. This will give you a buff. And I guess this is our new person who moved in. Nice. And also, does this work? Not close enough to a pylon. Okay. So I guess I have to have a pylon here to go to that pylon. Gotcha. Oh, what does this say? Teleport. Okay, so I guess I just gotta have a regular pylon. Okay, what can I make actually? Turn everything to bars first. Scroll, thank you. Make some more gold. Okay, a lot of iron. Let's go to our anvil. Where's our anvil at down here? Can make more jester arrows. That's good. Flame arrows, good. Pickaxe is better. Ooh, can make some gold stuff though. No, that bow's still better. Can make a gold axe. That's gonna be helpful for chopping down trees. Just dump everything in here for now. What do you sell again? Don't you just sell flowers? Yeah. It's okay, we can put a flower down. We'll do we'll have some grass could be nice. We'll have some just tall grass. There we go. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the episode here. Next time we can prepare a little bit more and then fight the Eater World. She's a giant worm. Alright, see ya. Bye.